son. Now we will build a new rickshaw.
Little kitten, Daddy. Ha.
Look how cute my yellow rickshaw is. Poon poon. Everyone give way, my rickshaw is coming. Is this a rickshaw or a waste paper box?
Oh, my rickshaw is broken.
No one will break this rickshaw! Son, hold this battery. It will be useful for the new auto rickshaw. The meeting point of strength and strength. Here is its powerful engine. Now it will run like lightning.
Papa, let me get you some water. You look tired. Daddy, can I drive it now?
Every joint is strong as steel.
Just a little longer. Your ride is ready. Here is your Golden Thunder rickshaw.
My real rickshaw is faster than yours. Now make fun of others.